Welcome to Les Fonds. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 3-bedroom south-facing villa with beautiful views over the vineyards and the mountains, then stay tuned because this might be the perfect home for you. Les Fonds is a very nice and residential neighborhood right at the border between Javea and benitachell. But because it's not Javea and it is benitachell, you're not paying Javea prices here. The price level generally is a bit lower, such as with this villa, but you're still getting the same lifestyle. Javea Arenal is at only a 10-minute drive away. Moraiba is also at only a 10-minute drive away, so the location is very good. And you also got a lot of amenities close by, such as 2 international schools. One of them is the Lady Elizabeth School and the other one is XIC College. And very important, you got a national park right at your doorstep. So if you love hiking, walking or mountain biking, that's perfect for you. The villa itself is very nice as well, especially the plot and the amazing views. Let's check them out. Inside you can find an open-plan living room, dining room and kitchen, and is full of nice Spanish traditional elements. You got this beautiful detail right here on the ceiling, the Tosca stone fireplace, and through these windows you still got that gorgeous view. What else do we have? We've got hot and cold air conditioning, and distribution-wise this villa is all distributed on one single level. And down that hallway you can find the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms of this property, which one of course is the master suite with its own ensuite bathroom. The plot is flat and fully southwest facing, which makes it you get sun all day long and all year round. Right here we've got a very nice covered terrace which directly connects to the living room inside. We've got an outdoor bar, nice seating area. This is perfect if you want to enjoy your afternoon, because right here in front of you you got the pool. If you have younger children, it's very easy to keep an eye on them. It's a nice kidney-shaped pool with a lot of space around it to put your sun lounges. Right here we've got a lot of different seating areas throughout the entire garden, creating a space for every time of the day. And from here we're going down to a gravel area because the views down here are to die for. Because this is the last plot on Les Fonds, on this urbanization or neighborhood, you still got all the infrastructure that offers you. But the good thing is, because it's that last plot and because you got these gorgeous views, it feels like you're literally living in the middle of the countryside. I mean, look at the view. You got everything, the mountains in the distance, the vineyards right in front of you, and all the greenery around you. What's not to love? So if you're looking for an affordable villa at only a few hundred meters away from Javea and with these gorgeous views, definitely get in touch with us today because we know everything about this property. We can arrange a viewing with you and we are there to answer all of your questions. And if you haven't already done this, this is the right moment. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to stay up to date with our latest videos.